Hello everybody, Kacha here. This week we're doing very simple and easy Christmas decor. I got a bunch of cheap stuff from Walmart and I got some really cheap paint from Walmart and I got beautiful Redesign with Prima Christmas transfers. And that's pretty much all I'm going to need for this project. We're going to keep it very simple. The first project is going to be the simplest one. I will be using this framed wood sign I got at Walmart, and I will be using Holly Jolly transfer from Redesign with Prima. I will have everything linked in description. This one is going to be the simplest one because all we will be doing is cutting this transfer and putting it on this wood sign, and we'll have a beautiful wall decor. I'm going to just correct this transfer a little bit because to make it fit better, I'm going to cut a little bit of edges. And that's perfect, that's looking really good. So you just peel this off and you position it in the center. And now we're using this stick. And you carefully start lifting the paper. And here you go, you got this beautiful sign to hang on your wall, and I think it's just so gorgeous. I really love this transfer. Very simple and easy. For the second project, we are going to do some painting and transferring as well. I got this wooden sign in Walmart, and I will be using this ivory color. This is chalk paint from Waverly from Walmart. And I'm not trying to paint this perfectly because I will be doing a little distressing, so I don't mind leaving some areas unpainted like this. I'm going to leave to dry, and we will come back and we will apply another transfer. So now that my paint is completely dry, I'm going to sand it lightly, nothing too much. It's going to help me get rid of this texture, and my transfer is going to go on easier. I replaced my paper for 80 grit, and this is going to go much easier and smoother now. I'm going to distress the edges. For this sign, I decided to use this image. It's from the same transfers, Holly Jolly. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cut this and position our transfer in center. I think that's perfect. And I'm going to do the same. beautiful. And what I'm going to do to match the vibe, I'm going to lightly distress it using that lighter pad. This is going to give it that worn look. And we got this beautiful farmhousey looking wood sign distressed. I really like this one too. The next one, we have this tabletop sign that I actually got at Hobby Lobby. This is the only thing that I got at Hobby Lobby. For this one, I'm going to paint it and I'm going to use this little transfer. This one is called Classic Christmas, and it comes in a lot of little transfers. So for this one, we'll be doing this. So let's get it painted. This one, I'm going to use the same color, ivory, for this part here. And then the top and the bottom, I will paint in red. I let this dry, and now I'm going to apply the second coat for solid coverage. And now I'm going to use this crimson color. It's the same one from Walmart, and I'm going to paint the bottom and the top. Now that our paint is completely dry, I'm going to cut this stencil. I'm going to cut this transfer and apply it. That's beautiful. One little thing I want to do to this sign, I'm going to add some dark antique wax. You don't have to do this, or you can do this by dry brushing a brown color or any dark color. I'm just going, since I have it, I'm going to use a little bit of dark wax around the edges to add some more character to this piece. You can do just a little bit of this or a lot, whatever you want. I'm just doing aging. I'm aging this sign, and I really like it this way better. And we are done with this one. Look how nice this is. It's so cute. Here I got a little wood sign from Walmart as well. It was very cheap, and I'm going to add some transfer to it, and I'm going to add some paint after that, so I will show you. For this one, I will be using transfer from Design with Prima. It's called Sparkle and Joy, and I'm going actually to layer some transfers. So first I'm going to cut these little hearts here. I'm going to cut this here. I'm now going to do a little whitewash over this, using the same brush and the same white color. I'm just wetting my brush and going over. When you're doing a whitewash, make sure to keep the paint wet. And I'm doing very light whitewash, just a little bit. And that's it. We're done with this one too. I really had fun creating these little signs. They're so fun. I have so many transfers left over that I will be using on some more decor around my home. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time with a new project and more ideas. Bye guys!